Do you want to know what my favorite part of dethatching is, other than the cleanup and actually doing it? My favorite part of dethatching is today. It's that time of the year. I'm going to be dethatching the yard. So I'm going to get started, show you why I'm doing it and why I do it every year, every other year, and what benefits the lawn gets from it so that it looks like this. Here we go. So did you know that thatch actually is produced naturally in grass, in your lawn? A lot of people think that it's a problem and that it's not supposed to be there. Well, I'm here to tell you, it is supposed to be there, but it can also be problematic if there's too much there. Think about it. If there's this layer of material between the bottom of the grass blade and the top of the dirt, how is anything going to get down into the dirt and into the roots of the grass? Water, air, fertilizer, all the things that need to be down there to be absorbed by the grass. How are they going to get down there if there's this layer of material that's blocking or preventing it from getting there? And that's where thatch can become a problem. So how do you know if you need to use this machine to get rid of that thatch? Let me show you. So the best way to know is just to dig down into your grass and try and find the dirt. If you struggle to find the dirt and you just see all this extra dead looking material, this thatchy material, then you know you need to do it. If you can find the dirt in the soil pretty easily, you probably don't need to do it. But it's something that you should keep an eye on over the years. Probably depending on how much you mow and how you're mowing, and if you're mulching and you're just breaking the 1/3 rule and leaving a bunch of grass clippings on your grass, you probably need to dethatch a lot more often than somebody who's catching their clippings or who is following the 1/3 rule and mulching tiny clippings into the lawn. So there's lots of ways, lots of different variables, so keep that in mind. Now as for me, I do this every year, and the reason I do it every year is because I have seen a difference in how thick my lawn is and how good it looks, and it's also really satisfying to do this. And that's probably the biggest reason I do this every year, is because it's just so satisfying how much material accumulates in such a short amount of time that you can pull out of your lawn. It's crazy. Crazy. Well, that's gonna go ahead and wrap it up for today. I'm out of time. Normally I do 2 passes on this, but look at those stripes. So good. So nice. Time Master, love it. Got everything cleaned up. Your lawnmower is the best vacuum when it comes to cleaning that stuff up. Like I said, normally I do 2 passes. I'm out of time today. The boys got a soccer game, so not gonna miss that. Stick around, subscribe. Plenty more to come here. I'm not done. There's more to do. So make sure you're subscribed if you're not already to see what I'm gonna be putting on my lawn this year to get everything looking just mint and prime for Halloween. Really exciting. So that's coming up next. That's gonna go and do it. If you have any questions about the dethatching process or anything like that. By the way, do you wanna know what my favorite part of dethatching is other than the cleanup and actually doing it? My favorite part of dethatching is walking on the lawn after you're done, especially if you've done multiple passes. You'll really notice a difference, but just walking on it when you're done, it feels noticeably different, much softer, and it's just nice. And you only know if you do it. So if you need another reason to dethatch your lawn, there it is right there. That's gonna go ahead and do it for me. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it as always. I'll see you next time.